Hi, Miss M6691. Please introduce yourself.
Hi, I'm Bina Rosal Nava, 33 years old, married. I have 3 kids and high school graduate. My work experience is in the Philippines 3 years ago, and my work is all around, like preparing the breakfast and washing the clothes and iron.
Okay, so you are the one who do all the household chores,
Yes,
right?
sir.
And also do the general cleaning.
Yes,
How
sir.
many members of the family?
Five.
Okay. The ages of the children.
9, 7, and 1 year old.
So you have 3 children to take care, right?
Yes,
And
sir.
also 1-year-old baby, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you know how to prepare a milk.
Yes, sir.
Okay, if the baby is crying, what will you do?
I check the temperature and feed the baby and check the diaper.
Okay, and if the baby won't stop to cry, what you will going to do?
Call the mother and tell them to stop crying the baby
Okay. What is your reason to work in Hong Kong?
for my future and save money.
Okay, and how long do you want to work in Hong Kong?
2 years or more than.
Okay, so it is okay to you to renew your contract.
Yes, sir.
Okay, do you have an idea how to prepare Chinese food?
No, sir. I'm willing to learn.
And how will you learn to cook?
Watch the YouTube and the book.
Reading cookbooks?
Willing to read the books.
Okay, and also if your employer have a time to prepare food, you could ask them if they could teach you how to prepare, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, it is okay to you to cut your hair into short.
Yes, sir.
By the way, are you willing to eat the food that the employer provide?
Yes, sir.
It is okay to you to share room with kids.
Yes, sir.
How about um, taking care of pets and elderly?
Yes, sir.
It is okay to you to learn their language.
Yes, sir.
Okay, what will be your message for your future employer?
Hi, sir and madam. Please help me. I will take care of your family and your kids. Thank you so much.
Okay,
Bye-bye.
can you promise also to take good care of their children as your own?
Yes, sir. I promise to take care of your children as of my own.
Okay, thank you so much, Miss Vina.
Thank you so much. Bye-bye, sir, madam.
Okay.